Holy shit. No way, that's the SV. That's the fucking SV that left the meet. It's on fire. It's literally on fire. Holy shit.
New at 10, here's a look at a pretty massive car fire that stalled traffic on the 408 earlier tonight. This Lamborghini burst into flames after crashing near Summerlin Avenue. You can see fire crews were able to put out the flames pretty quickly. No injuries were reported. No word just yet on what may have caused the crash.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are actually here at the Lamborghini dealership for a supercar social. But I want to take you guys along, show you guys all the cars here, bringing the GTR out to a supercar meet. And it's funny because I actually think I fit in now, you know, fitting in with the Lambos, the McLarens. Thank you for clicking on this video. As always, make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to. And now let's get into this video. You guys are gonna see tons of Lamborghinis here today, but there's also a wide variety of some other cars here, so we'll show you guys that soon. This is actually Curtis from WTF Motorsports. His beautiful Turbo S right here. These are Porsche classics right here. Doesn't get better than this. And I love the signature silver on these cars. These are timeless and absolute gems. Check out this Turbo S. I don't really like the cabriolet top or whatever you want to call it, the soft top. I also don't like the black underside of the bumper. I think it looks off, and I actually think it would look better paint match. Let me know what you guys think. Still crazy, probably a $300,000 car right there. And here is my baby R35 GTR, parked up at the Supercar Meet with my boy Daniel right there with the RCF. Yeah. So we rolled out with a couple homies, and yeah, these cars look so good together, yin and yang. They let the JDM guys in. Parked up next to all the McLarens right here. Wait till we show you guys all the Lambos inside. It's actually insanity. Just met up with some of the BMW homies. You know we're BMW for life. We have a beautiful G82 right here. We got my boy Atlantis G80 right here. It's actually my first time seeing his car in person. And check out the paint. Not a wrap. OEM, Atlantis Blue. It's absolutely beautiful. Make sure you guys give him a follow and check out his beautiful engine bay. Damn, that shit looks so clean. Happy for my boy, always good to see him. Next to it, we have a G80 CS in that signal green color. I actually haven't seen that many of these, even at Invasion. And then moving along, we have my boy Slow M4, my boy Evan. Just got the San Marino Blue F82. He actually had a Yas Marina a couple of years ago, and that's how we actually became friends. But now he just got this new car. I'm so happy for my boy. Back to the BMW life. He actually just got some new Apex wheels from Curtis, WTF Motorsports. And I haven't seen him yet, but I gotta wish him congrats. I mean, look at the spec. He's got that beautiful brown interior with this beautiful, you guys see it, San Marino blue paint. Again, BMW and their colors, man, always knock it out of the park. Make sure you guys follow my boy, Slow M4. Absolutely stunning. Can't wait to see what he does with this build. My boy Evan, back on the channel.
Baby. We're back.
We're back.
So good to be back.
But why are you back? We just showed them your car, but why are you back?
So it's kind of like a mix of seeing your car all the time and like just itching it, driving cars again and coming out to meets like this.
Hell yeah.
I never had a reason to come out, so now it's so good to be back.
I'm so happy for my boy. Next to it, we have a Tanzanite G82. It's actually not the one we filmed. Kirk from Moto Gear TV, because this one is actually X-Drive, and then it has some crazy bronze wheels on it. Like the contrast on that one, it looks really nice. I had to give love to my BMW family before we head inside and show you some insane supercars. See, people like this make it really tough for me with my decision to go from an all-black murdered out car to my white paint that I have now on the GTR. But cars like this, man, make me miss the whole murdered out theme, because this Huracan is absolute beauty right here. I would take this honestly over most of the colors that you'll see inside, because this thing is so menacing. You guys see it. I always say my spec of a car because that's exactly what this is. All murdered out. And black when clean looks so good. We rolled out here with the 720, the Technica and then my boy with the 570S, followed by a Turbo S. And yeah, this is the crew. This is the supercar crew that we've been going to all the meets with. But it's been great to network with supercar owners in Orlando. And yeah, these guys are all mad chill. Which one are you taking? This crazy 720 with all the aero, or the Aventador? Let me know down below. These things are both absolutely beautiful. Again, coming back to my boy Daniel's RCF. This thing is beautiful, so mint. And then my baby, the R35 GTR. Favorite car here, you already know. Daniel and I had to flex the red guts in both of our cars. Yes, sir. But yes, sir. We actually cleaned up the GTR before we came, and thankfully it didn't rain here in Florida. But we are looking hella nice. Again, the car looks so stock. Only thing that we have done is the wheels, but suspension and exhaust are coming soon. Can't wait to show you guys what we got cooking. Slowly but surely, the R35 will come together. Got the new Pierce Swangway, I don't know how to say it, but the new V12 Mazda CX-5 Ferrari. I like the purple actually. But yeah, this purple is nice. The purple on yellow looks very clean. Sounds amazing, but honestly, for the price, I don't think it's worth it. It looks like a Mazda. But my first time seeing one in person, and I did not know this, but the doors open like a Rolls Royce. That thing's sick. All right, even though it does look like a Mazda, this shit looks hard though. Inside looks hard.
That's hard.
And carbon fender. Wow. And you know it sounds amazing. That thing is nice. Guess who's back on the channel?
What is up, guys? It's your boy Snob back at you again. We're at Lamborghini Orlando, Supercar Sunset. We got the Aventadors, SCs, SVJs, all the cars are outside, the exotics, GTRs. You already know, if you're not here, you're missing out.
We outside, baby. My boy.
Outside, baby.
Make sure you guys follow my boy Sanad. Always killing it.
San Sanad. GTR, 1500 horsepower, fully built, killing it.
Coming soon. Coming soon. You heard?
One day. Coming one day.
The vlog loves you, bro. The man always kills it on the vlog. But we are actually inside the dealership now. I'm going to show you guys the insane cars that they have here. As you guys can see, what I just panned around, the colors are insane. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, I got to talk over everybody, but we have a couple Cerados here. I love the aqua paint on this one, and it actually matches the two cars next to it. We have another like aqua colored STO. This thing is beautiful. You guys see under the lighting. And then we have an insane race car. It says Squadra Corsa on it, which is from a Gallardo, but this actually has like a C on front end. You guys see, it's a full race car. And I don't even think it resembles the Super Trofeo, which is right next to it. But check out this car, it's actually crazy. And this is actually a Super Trofeo race car with the full exposed carbon fiber body kit. There's a couple of these around on Instagram as well as locally here in Orlando. This thing is actually mental. All right, I'm gonna start from back here because this is the furthest away from the DJ, but I'm gonna try to talk over. If it gets too loud during editing, I'm gonna add some music. Starting off, we have the Funny Nick Spec SVJ. This thing is beautiful. Check out this paint, guys. Actually insane with the bronze wheels. And then right next to it, we have a beautiful blue SVJ as well. I think this one's actually for sale. This thing is so nice. Again, you guys see the paint. Looks so good. This is one of my dream cars right here. I think a lot of people can agree with that one too. These matching red SVs rolling in, they sounded insane. I think one of them has a Gin Tonic exhaust. And yeah, these things, it's Aventador heaven right here. That's crazy. Oh yeah, check out this SV. Holy shit. That is so hard. We got a frozen white SVJ. This thing is so clean. Literally SVJ heaven right now. Another STO. Right behind the SV, we have a new Revelto in that Barney purple. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Crazy because they're probably going for like $1 million right now. But right next to it is one of my favorite SVJs I've ever seen. It is a 63 version, but look at this color combo. We have the baby blue with the yellow accents, and check out the interior. That shit is so nice. I've never seen this color combo in my life. And you got this crazy carbon fiber vent right here. Looks so badass. So clean. And then we have another Rovelto in this matte gray. I don't know if this is the color for me, but looks alright, looks alright. Check out this Torado with the HREs. This thing is so clean. That dude and his wife have matching cars, which is pretty dope. But let me know what you guys think about R8s. This is actually the other car that I was contemplating with my GTR, but prices on them are still pretty high. But out of this whole meet, there's only one R8 here. So I do like that about the car as well. It's not as common, you know, as Huracans that everybody has. Let me know what you guys think. Maybe an R8 will come to the channel one day. Gotta capture the yellow 720 and Huracan. And then some more BMW homies rolled in. Check out these builds. Dravic Gray, looks like it's fully built. And then we have a single turbo bagged F82. Look at that. Got the Edelweiss wheels, the carbon ceramics. This thing's probably super fast, especially being X-Drive. And then this crazy ass Merida M4, the APR wing, bag. Car is super clean. It actually has a crazy single turbo kit on it as well. So you already know this car sounds amazing and it looks badass as well. But man, my car looks so good, but it also looks so stock. From an aesthetic standpoint, I can't wait to lower it, get a front lip, and I'm actually gonna have Caleb hands-on detailing wrap the roof black and maybe the wing as well. But I think the roof black will actually add some nice contrast to that panda theme that I want. Got a beautiful red GT4 RS. I think we basically have seen all the cars at the meet so far. This one is an absolute beauty. Got the new Lotus Amira. Not bad, not bad. We saw this Huracan pulling in earlier. The color combo is beautiful. We got Grigio with these bronze wheels with the acid orange accents. It looks so good. Check out the interior to match. This is my favorite color from Lamborghini as well as on BMW. If I ever wrapped my F80, I was actually contemplating going Grigio Telesto. This thing looks insane. But right next to it is another car that makes me miss the whole murdered out theme. This is a murdered out, looks like a Turbo S. This thing is insane. Matte black, crazy wing, Batman spec as fuck. Looks so good. What's the boy's Instagram?
Jaylen Vickers, bro.
Good to meet you, bro.
Nice
This
to
man's
meet
a
you.
subscriber to the channel and now he's on the channel. Let's go.
Thanks.
You're gonna be on the video, brother. Look at this crazy wing on this 720. That's like a fucking Pagani wing. We got the purple 765 LT on the HRE. So clean. Got a 570. Murdered out, absolutely beautiful with the red guts. Well, that was insane. This is actually the Mansory kit and it looks insane. But check it out, the Mansory kit on it. This thing's baller. All of the SVs rolling out. This is the owner of Toby Performance. His sounds insane. This shit's crazy, bro. But that's a wrap for this meet. We'll catch you guys back in the garage. Aventadors aren't even fair. They sound so good. Shout out to the boy Daniel. Okay, so we just mobbed outside of the show. Hopefully somebody on YouTube got that, but GTR sounds amazing. That shit was fast as fuck. We hit speeds we're not gonna talk about, But anyway, we're on the highway now, and actually there is something crazy going on over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but black smoke right here. So super bad accident is what I'm gonna guess, but hopefully everybody is all right. But I'm gonna show you guys what I see. This is insane. The car is literally on fire. Holy shit. Holy shit. No way, that's the SV. Holy shit, that's the fucking SV that left the meet. It's on fire. It's literally on fire. Holy shit. Holy shit. I don't know if I captured that because I was trying to record on my phone too, but that was one of the red, super loud SVs that we saw leaving the meet. And that shit was literally on fire. Holy fuck. It appeared to look like the guy was outside the car and okay, which is good, but that's an Aventador SV that just got totaled out and is literally on fire. That is so bizarre. I mean, from filming the car not even 10 minutes ago to seeing it literally on fire on the side of the highway. I'm a loss for words right now. I'm gonna drive back home and just take that in. That's crazy. We made it back home now. That's gonna wrap it up for this video. I actually talked to a few of the GTR homies in a group chat that we have on Instagram, and they actually know the owner of the SV. He is okay. The car obviously is totaled, unfortunately, but the owner was able to walk away, so that's all that matters. That was just so bizarre to me, you know, seeing the car leave 10 minutes before I did, and then as I'm on the way home, just seeing it engulfed in flames. But at the end of the day, you know, cars are material things that can be replaced. Your life can't. So if there's anything to take away, of course, just be safe out there. But I want to thank you guys for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you want to, and we'll see you on the next video. Take care. Peace.